New construction home only 2 short blocks to the bay. Open floor plan boasting of a natural gas fireplace in the family room. Gourmet kitchen with soft close cabinets, drawers, doors, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, dishwasher and microwave, with a large walk-in pantry and an oversized island. Master bedroom west/sitting area, a large walk-in closet and luxury master bathroom with a tiled shower. Large laundry room. Flooring includes hardwood throughout the main living area, ceramic in all the bathrooms and laundry room, carpet in bedrooms and upper hall. 5 bedroom and 3 full bathrooms. 2-car attached garage with opener. 5th bedroom on 3rd floor could be used for storage. Plenty of storage for beach toys and extended garage.